Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear your YouTube watch history from the mobile app, follow this quick guide to remove your viewing records. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Step 2. Tap on the library icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon looks like a stack of horizontal lines or a bookshelf. Step 3. At the top of the library screen, tap on History. This displays a chronological list of all videos you've watched recently. Step 4. To delete individual videos from your history, tap the three-dot menu icon next to any video. Select Remove from Watch History from the options. Step 5. To clear your entire watch history at once, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the history screen. Tap on it to open additional options. Step 6. Select History Controls or Manage All History from the menu. This takes you to your Google account's activity controls. Step 7. Find the option that says Clear All Watch History or Delete All Watch History. Tap on this option to remove all viewing records. Step 8. YouTube will ask you to confirm this action. Tap Clear Watch History or Delete to confirm. This action cannot be undone. Step 9. To prevent future watch history from being saved, toggle off Pause Watch History in the History controls. This stops YouTube from recording your viewing activity. Step 10. Return to the YouTube app. Your watch history is now cleared, and video recommendations will reset based on your subscriptions rather than past viewing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.